Hi everyone! Today, I'm taking on this challenge again because so many of you enjoyed it and asked me to do it once more. So let's get started. First, I went to Discord and searched for an art community. I chose artistry. Then, I chose a channel and asked people to send me their OCs to draw. But first, I created my own profile to be able to join the chat. Once I'm done, I send this to people. I kept doing that in many group chats to make sure more people could respond or send me their OCs.
A few moments later,
I got the first request. I opened the file to check the images. I chose this one. Then, I started drawing. I kept the character's general look but made some small changes to the outfit and colors to match my style. Honestly, I prefer drawing girls, but this is what I came up with. I finished the drawing, and now it's time to surprise her.
The result.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy watching, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. See you, bye.